Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Web Point. Today I am going to talk a little bit about the pulse animation, that is CSS pulse animation. And to make CSS pulse animation, there are different keyframes used, and what it does is that makes the pulsing effect in any element used in any website, and it makes website more vibrant, colorful and attractive. So let's start our pulse effect project. Go to our project, and first of all what we should do is that make any div like circle. Where is a circle? We don't do much here. Go to our CSS, just use another div to make it more attractive and noticeable. To wrapper, wrap this. Here we have our wrapper, and wrapper have position absolute with 100% height, 100% flags, center, align item center. And if you don't know about this flex, check out my previous video. There I have covered much about the CSS display flex element. Items center, right? And then the circle. Put the circle, define its width 100 pixels, height 100 pixels, border radius also 100 pixels, and background color you can give any color like has FF0000, that is red color. And let's check our project in the browser. Open in browser. Here you see nothing. The reason that we are not seeing anything is that we don't have CSS connected to this page. So let's link this my CSS and style.css. Now you can see we have used this flex to make our circle to the center from vertically and horizontally. Here you can see the circle. Okay, now to make pulse effect, what we have to do is that I have already said, and we have to use different keyframes, and inside these keyframes there should be value, that is 0%, and 0%, and what we have to do is that simply provide the box shadow here. Here we have to do box shadow 0 0 0 and the color, what color you prefer you can use. For now you can simply use this red color, let's see. And after this, if you want to change color, then you can keep any of the color from here. So 0 0 0 0 box shadow. Here we have to WebKit box shadow. You can see the WebKit box shadow is same. WebKit is used for different web browsers. So 0 0 0 FF 0 0 0. Okay, now here we have used box shadow, that is 0, box shadow is 0, and the color is red, FF000, that is red color. And when we are in, let's say 40%, the box shadow changes, box shadow with changes, like box shadow 0 0 and 15 pixels, and the shadow should have the less opacity. So what we do is that we go to our browser, inspect it, and just click here, click, then you can see this color in RGBA form, RGB, red, green, black, and the opacity is now 1. Okay, now what we do is that we change the opacity, that is we reduce the opacity to let's say px RGBA 125. That yes, 125 0 0 and 1. Now what we do is the 125 0 0 0 0 and 0 point, let's say 6. Just copy it out and add WebKit. Simply add the WebKit to make it our project faster. What we do is that let's copy it 2 times, make it 70% and 100%. Now when it goes to 100%, then the box shadow again goes to 0, that is 0. Here we have 15 pixels at the 40%, it goes 0 to when it goes 14%, it will be 15 pixels, 50 pixel, and then finally it will be 0 at 100%, and again it recalls itself to 0%, 40%, and 100%. 0%, 40%, and 100%. Now we have already defined our keyframes. After that, what we have to do is that we go to our circle and then we add this animation, like keyframes. This is used for pulse. So what we do is that now we define the animation here. Circle, now just animation, animation, pulse 2 seconds and infinite. Here we are using animation that is pulse, and let's say 3 seconds, no, 2 seconds, and the color. And it goes to infinite. The reason we are using infinite is that when we hover anything, and then it keeps on animating pulse, that is pulse 2 seconds, infinite. Now let's add WebKit. WebKit animation pulse 2 seconds and infinite. Here you can see 2 seconds and infinite. Here background color, we don't want to change this for now, and color also we don't need any color right now. So and here we have circle. Here we are gonna use pulse, so we use transition for smoothness of 0.3 is in out, TRA and SITL transition. Then we hover the circle. When we hover the circle or we hover the wrapper, say anything. Now let's check our project. Refresh and just you can see the animation. Okay, now what's happening is that we have very less opacity. Let's put 1.8. Here you can see the pulse right now. It's not looking good, I think. So what we do is that we can change color for now. We can change color to FF CC00, that is yellow, and then let's try this. Yeah, now you can clearly see the pulse animation. Here we have used infinite, so when you over this, it keeps on popping out and it goes as it is. So this much for today. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please don't forget to share, subscribe my channel.